I ain't wasting no time. Birria Tacos. You see it. I am not making this traditionally. This is my way of doing it. Also, I don't have, well, Rhode Island doesn't have all the ingredients for the birria, but it's still gonna be fire. I know you see that. You see it. It's gonna be fire. All right, so the first thing you gotta do is like the video. Now, subscribe. Now, also, after you do all that, y'all hear this background, right? Whew, I'm gonna need y'all to listen to this beat. First, what you wanna do is, this is the reason why it's not traditional. We're using beef instead of lamb. Grab a beef roast, the label right there on the package. We're gonna cut it into fours, and then we're gonna season it with salt, pepper, and onion powder. Next, grab one whole white onion, cut it in half, peel it, set it aside. That's it. Now grab garlic cloves, about 4 or 5, smash them, peel them, and put it aside. Then once you back on that bullshit, huh? Once you got everything prepped for the first part of the prep, put your pot on medium to high heat, add a little oil, and let it heat up for about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, right? Because we really want a rough sear on this. This is what gets out the meat flavor. Pause. Once your oil is hot, sear your beef, let it get brown on one side. You see that color right there that I'm showing you? I want you to have that color on your beef. Once you flipped it and you have a good sear, add your garlic and add your onions face down. Let those cook up until they get a little brown color. Like I noticed my garlic was getting a little brown, so that's when I added my beef broth. I add 2 bottles of those, or until you're able to cover all of the beef. Add about 4 or 5 bay leaves, and we're gonna let that sit on medium heat for 2 hours. This is gonna let it get all juiced up inside. I don't even gotta explain, bro. Just make it and you'll see what it does to the meat. Yo, I smell that. What you making, bro? You smell that, right? Well, that's all right, let me start over. So I'm making. Bro, you listening? No, I'm not listening. This shit was boring. Yo, bro, I don't know what you need, but you need to hype your videos up. Because even you, I can tell your shit is black. And what? What do I need? Bro, pull up, bro. You heard the Fall Guys? Yes, I heard. Shut up, I don't even want to know what you got to say, bro. Put this in your background music. It's gonna be lit. Let me see. Let me just start it up, bro. Hold on. I gotta go back. Chill. You listen? You ready? Hold on. So here you go. We have chipotle peppers right here. This is the part where I was talking about. It's not the regular tradition. The regular tradition includes multiple chili pods that I can't even pronounce the name of, so you're gonna have to look that up. But I was only able to find chipotle. So this is technically only a chipotle birria. We got chipotle peppers. We're gonna de-seed them. How I did it was I cut the top off, slice it down the middle, so open it, and then remove all the seeds. Simple. Then what we gotta do is we boil those. So there's like 16 to 12 pods in there. So use all those in the packet, whatever you get it, and then boil them for about 2 to 3 minutes. After you boil them, bring them to the blender. Put them in the blender along with a little water from that boil. Add 3 bay leaves, a couple cloves, maybe like 4 or 5. Cinnamon sticks, like a half a cinnamon stick. Cumin powder, whole peppercorns. Then we have oregano, chili powder, salt, thyme, lemon juice, and about a 1/4 cup of white vinegar. The last thing we're gonna put is the liquid from the beef. We're we're gonna put some of that inside the blender too. Blend it up, get it all nice and purified, and we're gonna put it back in where the meat is. Once it's in the pot where the meat is in, take the meat out, we're gonna pull it apart. You see how I'm doing it right now. Look how delicate that shit is. And you telling me this shit ain't gonna be fine. You should have the liquid on low heat. Save some of the liquid from that sauce, put the meat in the pot and let it simmer along with the liquid. Grab a cutting board. We're gonna chop cilantro and dice onions. Simple. You should know how to do those already. Then grab a pan, dip the taco within the liquid that we saved, sit it on the pan. We're gonna let this crisp. Then add the meat, any type of cheese you want. I have this for a Mexican blend. Doesn't matter what you want to use, just use some cheese, right? Add the onions, cilantro, fold it. Let's try this out real quick, right? Go! Psych, I got my bad bitch. Go!